how to share a contact in Line app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share a contact in the Line app. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Line app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, what you can do is simply go to the chat section. And now here, depending on where you want to share a contact with, you can simply select the chat where you want to send your contact to. And now here, once you're inside the chat, you can just tap on the plus icon which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, there on the pop-up screen there you can see the option labeled as contact. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. Now here in the pop-up menu, from there you can either select the line friend or the device contact. So here if you want to share the contact from line, then you can simply tap on line friend and share the contact by tapping on the name and tapping on share at the top right corner. But here, let's say if you want to share your device contact, then what you can do is simply tap on device contact, and after that, you can simply select the contact that you want to share, and after that, you can just tap on share to share your contact. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.